Hey, welcome to this quick down and dirty tutorial on how to use Slack as a platform. My name is Jason Miller. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the Strategic Advisor Board, and I'm going to help you get through some of the learning curves today on using Slack. So what I'm going to do is cut away to my computer screen right now, and I'm going to go through a bunch of different things and show you how to use it to make this user-friendly for you and the best experience that you can possibly have to communicate right here on Slack. I'll see you over there.
All right, so here we are in Slack, and I'm going to walk you through just some very basic things here on Slack, so you understand how to use it and some of the shortcuts and tricks to using Slack in the most valuable way that we can. So let's first talk about just some basic navigation things overall. What we have here, and most of you will see all of this on the side, all of these channels that are locked or unlocked rather. If it's an unlocked channel, when you first come into Slack itself, you'll already have access to all the unlocked channels. Now, anything that's locked, that has a lock on it, obviously you will not see that on your channel. All you'll see are the things that you have access to. So these are the channels that would be currently open to anybody that is coming into this Slack channel. Okay, so the next thing, let's go into some of the profile settings. If I go to, for instance, I go to my name here, and I can go ahead and edit my name. I can put my title in here. I can set my status. I can do all of that from right here. Active, but notifications are snoozed. Obviously my email, I can add my phone number in here if I want people to be able to see me. You can set yourself as away here. So it shows you as away, and then come back and set yourself as active. And then here are your different setting statuses that you can set yourself to at however you'd like to do that. Here you can edit and change your picture, upload a new photo. You can change name, your display name. If you want to add a title, you can add your title. So if I wanted to add CEO of the Strategic Advisor Board, and you can put all your pronouns, all that good stuff, upload a photo, and hit Save Changes. And now it added CEO of Strategic Advisor Board there. Now you can also come to each one of these individual channels, and you can change your notifications here. Mute the channel if you'd like. If it's a channel that has a lot of notifications, you can go ahead and mute that one specific channel. And you can also come up here and come into preferences, and you can set some of your notifications here, whether you'd like to be notified about all new messages, direct messages, mentions, and keywords, or none of them at all. You can set that for the entire channel. Now, if you came into this community and you wanted to know how to start a new post, what you would do is come down here. You click in this box right here, just like pretty much every platform. Type, hello, my name is Jason Miller, and I am shooting a tutorial on using Slack. Shooting a tutorial on using Slack. I'm just going to put in here, this will be erased. Okay, so now I've went ahead and I have posted what I'm going to post. Now I go ahead and hit the green return button here. And now my post is now posted. Okay, so now say I want to reply in a thread. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Delete. So say I want to reply in a thread. I'm going to come over here to, I read Corinne's message right here, and now I want to reply. The one thing we don't want to do is have multiple replies underneath. Let's not do that. That makes it a horrible way to communicate, and it just clogs everything up, just like the WhatsApp channel. So what we want to do is respond to this thread itself. So we'll come up here to this little bubble that says reply in thread. And then we'll come up and say, in this box is just like this box down here, only it will be under their reply here. Nice to meet you and great post. And then hit the green button. Now you'll see it replied just to that one specific thread here. Okay. Now say I don't want to reply, but I'd like to just give a thumbs up. I come and I click on this little emoji box right here, go to my emoji thumbs up, click it, bam, there is the thumbs up. Okay, for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and delete this if I wanted to delete it. Now I can delete it, and it doesn't no longer exist. And if I click off, now that's all gone as well. Now the next thing is, say I decided I didn't want to be in this channel anymore. What I could do is come up here, right click, and click leave channel. Or if I just wanted to change my notifications or mute the channel, I could do that too. Now the next thing is, if you decided you wanted to direct message another member, what you would do is you would come up to direct message. You would come up here to, let's say I wanted to direct message Nico. You come up to this box up here. You type in the @ sign, then Nico, and his name will come up. Click on his name. It will start a new thread. Hi, Nico. This is a test message. No need to respond. Shooting a how-to video. And then hit enter. And now you will Nico is the only person that will see that message. It will not go in any of these groups at all. Okay. If I wanted to delete that message, I just delete the message. Okay, so let's say that you want to tag someone by name specifically. Let's say I want to tag Anna on something. I'm going to come down here to the message box. Say I'm in the wisdom and inspiration. I'm going to click @Anna. Hello, hope you are well. Here is some inspiration. Whatever that is. Now, I go ahead and click on the green button to send it. Now she's going to be tagged in this message, so she'll know that she got this message as a message that is specifically for her. So checking unread messages, I had to come into one of my channels because there were no unreads. First of all, you'll know if there's messages on the Slack channel itself. If you see that there is a white little button like that, you'll know that there's messages in the Slack channel itself. Unless you have completely turned all notifications off, you won't see that. So, you'll know there's messages if you see that. Now, I clicked on this channel, and now this is highlighted, and there's a 1, so I know there's a message in this channel. So if you see that in any of these channels, you'll know there's messages in there, and you may want to go in and respond to those messages. And that's how you check the messages inside of each of these groups. So you'll click on here, and you'll see any messages. It'll say all unreads. Typically, there's a red line here that goes across, and the unreads show below that. And oftentimes as well, you'll see here, there'll be unreads in this frame here because people are responding to Shelby Joe Long's introduction after she came into the group. And if I hit these replies, now I can read the threads here, and now they'll be marked as unread.
Hey, I hope this video was super helpful for you, and it really gave you the experience to be able to use Slack in its most effective way. If we use this platform in the best way as possible, it'll be a great experience for all that are participating on this platform today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. And always remember, you can reach out to a moderator at any time and get additional guidance. Take care.